Water can be used for watering plants, washing cars, and many more. Rainwater harvesting is reduce the use of groundwater. It also helps to prevent flooding during heavy rains. Rainwater harvesting is cleaner from free salt and minerals. It is good for plants and the environment. Rainwater harvesting is an easy and effective way to save water. Save water and save yes. Thank you, ma'am.